Hey my friends, welcome to Outdoor Venture and Gear. Today guys, I'm going to show you a little trick you can do to keep the ticks out of your vehicle. Now this is a good little trick I came up with this year. I wish I'd been doing it years before, but I've always been really good about treating my clothes. So this is something extra I wanted to do this year because we've all heard the stories of the alpha gal or alpha gale, whatever you want to call it, and the rise in Lyme disease. So guys, this was one extra step I took to getting myself prepared, making sure I didn't bring anything home or I didn't have anything on me. So what you're going to do is first get some permethrin. Now I have videos up on the channel on this. Please look at those, review those. Remember, permethrin is a chemical. You're going to have to decide whether you want to be around it or if you're, I don't know, sensitive to it. Once you decide on that step, what you're going to do is you're going to get your permethrin mix. Now, I always get my permethrin in a very high concentrate. There's a couple of places you can get it. I even put one place on the channel too in the past. You can try that if you want to, but once you get your concentrate and you mix it up, I always keep mine in a nice bottle like this. That way I know what it is. It's 1 quart. And once I have this, I will always spray myself when I go out. Now, my clothes are always treated, but what I do is I always spray from my knees down extra, and I always spray my headwear extra. So I'll take it off, even if it's already treated, I'll treat it again. I just love having that extra barrier of keeping me safe from the ticks. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your permethrin, okay? You're going to spray down your seat. This only works with cloth seats. Now, it will work if you have leather seats, but I don't want to take a chance on anybody damaging their vehicles. Please, guys, take that as you will. But if you have a seat cover, it works. If you have cloth seats, it works. I have rubber mats in my truck. It works on those too. And then I do have some fake leather on these seat covers, and it does dry well on those. But what you're going to do is you're going to treat them. Now, I don't treat the backs. This pleather runs down the seat. What I do is I only treat where I'm sitting. I don't treat up here. I don't treat anything from waist up. I treat it from waist down because I'm in a closed vehicle with the chemical, and I don't want to take any extra chances that I don't have to as far as my health years down the line. Well, that's all I do. You guys got to remember, it's not that ticks don't like permethrin. Permethrin kills ticks. So let's say you're out, you're on a hike. You're not doing much, maybe taking a pet out for a hike or out with your kids or friends or just on a day hike. And you have one on you. Somehow one got attached to you and you don't know it. You get in your vehicle. If it makes it past the floor and it doesn't die from that, it's not going to make it past your seat. It's got a double barrier, and then hopefully you're already spraying your clothes when you go out. I know it's a small step, guys, but it's a step a lot of us don't think about. I didn't think about it until earlier this year, and I wish I'd have thought about it years ago because it would have been in my arsenal. So just remember, when you're out in your vehicle, if you can, spray your seats down and spray your mats down. Now, what I would also recommend, guys, is only doing this at most twice a year. Once a year should suffice for the majority of tick season. Twice a year might be pushing it, maybe in warmer climates or where there's an explosion in the tick population. You might want to go twice a year, once every 6 months, because remember, this is not getting washed off. It's staying permeated in the material and in the floorboards and in your carpet. If you have carpet on there, it'll stay permeated in there, so you don't have to worry about it being washed away in a washing machine. It will just fade over time. But that'll give you a nice extra barrier protection. Just make your mix up and spray it down, guys. And I hope that keeps any of us from having to do with the new diseases that are coming out with these ticks. Guys, I really hope this helps and saves a lot of people out there. Don't let it scare you of going in the outdoors and enjoying nature. It's not scaring me. Just take these extra precautions, guys, and it should be fine. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye for now.